In life, we usually anchor stages in our lives with certain ceremonies. At the end of school, we have graduations. At the beginning of our lives together, we have weddings. And tonight, we have a white coat ceremony, which is really a symbol of our beginning a career in medicine.
Each student will extend and improve the lives of thousands. Each is a multiplier of good. Each of these student physicians is an exceptional individual and will serve as a community leader, role model to youth, and humanitarian, in addition to their service as a physician.
Medicine at its best is an interaction between patients, families, the healthcare team, and culture, between the mind and the heart, and between the people who are linked through shared experiences, for better or worse.
Medical services are a team effort. You cannot succeed without the assistance of nurses, caregivers, and others. Help them help you and your patient. All will benefit, including you. You are here because of your passion. Continue to be motivated by your passion. Pursue your dreams. The result will be a fulfilling and rewarding career.
Ladies and gentlemen, I'd like to present to you the newest class of JABSOM, the class of 2018.